Karibu tujifunze Kiswahili. Welcome back to my class. If you're new here, welcome. So today we are going to learn about names of domestic animals. Majina ya wanyama. Wanyama wa nyumbani. Domestic animals. In Swahili we say wanyama wa nyumbani. So we are going to learn about the names of domestic animals in Swahili. Okay, let's get started. Starting with ng'ombe. 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 This is cow. Ng'ombe. Mbuzi. 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 This is goat. Kondoo. 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 This is sheep. Nguruwe. 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 This is pig. Punda. 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 This is donkey. Mbwa. 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 This is dog. Mbwa. Sungura. 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 This is rabbit. Sungura. Farasi. 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 This is horse. Ndama. 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 This is calf. Paka. 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 This is cat. Okay, so these are some of the domestic animals. Majina ya wanyama wanaofugwa nyumbani. These are the names of domestic animals. Wanyama wa nyumbani. Okay, let's repeat again. Ng'ombe. Ng'ombe. This is cow. Mbuzi. Mbuzi. This is goat. Kondoo. Kondoo. This is sheep. Nguruwe. Nguruwe. This is pig. Punda. Punda. This is donkey. Mbwa. Mbwa. This is dog. Sungura. This is rabbit. Farasi. Farasi. This is horse. Ndama. Ndama. This is calf. Paka. Paka. This is cat. Let's see the names of domestic birds. So these are domestic animals, and here these are the names of domestic birds. Okay, Kuku. 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 This is chicken. Kuku. Bata. 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 This is duck. Bata Mzinga. Bata Mzinga. This is turkey. Jogoo. 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 This is rooster. Njiwa. Njiwa. This is pigeon. Kasuku. Kasuku. This is parrot. Kifaranga. Kifaranga. This is a chick. So, kuku is chicken. Bata, this is duck in English. Bata Mzinga, this is duck in English. Jogoo, this is rooster. Njiwa, this is pigeon. Kasuku, this is parrot. Kifaranga, this is a chick. So these are the names of domestic animals, and these are the names of domestic birds. Thank you so much for today. Asante sana. See you next time. Kwaheri.